A brief update. Thembinkosi Lorch and I have mutually decided to part the ways romantically. Despite the change in our relationship, we will remain friends and co-parents. I am looking forward to this new chapter of my life. Hashtag new beginnings, says Natasha Thahane on Instagram. Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhulume with Pro. Please like, comment and share this video. Uhambe lapha ku Instagram uNatasha wakaThahane wayobhala guys kokuthi yena naThembinkosi Lorch sebahlukene, but they will remain friends and co-parents because we know that they have a child together. Natasha Thahane and Thembinkosi Lorch have been dating for years now, and they've been keeping their relationship very, very, very private. Kesana, they don't even post each other. I think we will post that twice or once, Natasha Thahane, but long time ago vele nje bekubantu ukuthi abapostani ngisho nokuthi ba date satigubela thina satitholela because vele sima private investigator. Ngeke uzoyifihle into forever, ngeke uzofihlele thina rather into forever. Sooner or later asathola ukuthi the two are dating, and umogel bekakhombisa nje asupporta kakhulu Orlando Pirates since umoga is playing for Orlando Pirates kesana. So they have a child together. Bayajola besquad logo yep, but unfortunately it has ended in tears between them, and Natasha uhambile kesana weyobhala ukuthi vele sebahlukene, and ilindzaba leto tiya trenda ngendlela lesimanga. Even went to Instagram Thembinkosi Lorch to check ukuthi ngabe naye ubhalile something or shareile post ya Natasha, but he didn't share anything, he didn't write anything. Utibinzele nje umfana usathulile kesana, but ngiyatibuta nje ukuthi kwendakalani angema celebrities wethu ahlukana kangaka guys. Kwendekalani baze babasingile ababancane. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.